Welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe. Here we go. Today I will teach you how to unmount or to remove the power supply and hold it back. Here we go. This is our power supply unit, and I will teach you how to remove it. Okay, that is our front nut. Oh, we are able to remove the nuts. Make sure you are having it where it is being visible. Here we go. Oh, good. This is our power supply. This is what supplies the power to the system unit, and I will teach you how to mount it back to its original position. Hope you are seeing the power supply unit. Let's have it back to its original position. Okay, slowly. Make sure you have it slowly until to its original position. Oh, make sure you have the screw nuts for each position. Okay. You have the other one here. Okay. Drive the nuts. Drive this other one. Oh, here we go. Good.